And we have breaking news coming in, viewers, from the Tirupati Stampede case. FIR has been registered in the Stampede case, in which 6 people have been killed, 40 have been injured, viewers. That's the latest update we have right now, right ahead of the visit of the Health Minister and the Chief Minister, Chandrababu Naidu. An FIR has been now registered in the Tirupati Stampede case. 6 people have been killed and 40 injured after a stampede broke out due to a rush to collect the tokens counter. And now, of course, it's a matter of investigation. Meanwhile, an FIR has been registered. Aneri joins us live in the broadcast for more. Aneri, a complaint has been filed. FIR has been registered in this case. Tell us more details about it, please.
Well, Rakshita, a tragic incident that happened in Tirupati last evening, where we see that 6 people lost their life and near about 40 people were injured in this incident, and still 20 people are undergoing treatment at the hospital. What we are now seeing is that the Tirupati police has registered a FIR based on a complaint which they had received, and what the FIR copy states is that we have accessed this exclusive FIR copy which states that occurred on 8/1/2025 at about 8:20 in front of Padmavati Park, and also at the same time it further mentions that it mentions about the 6 people who lost their life, and they state that Naidu came to Tirupati for Vaikunta Ekadashi Darshan. On that, they along with their relatives went at Ramanaidu School for collecting darshan tokens and waiting at Sri Padmavati Park. All of a sudden, huge number of devotees rushed into the queue line. In the result of the above said deceased, along with this incident, these people fell down is what the FIR states. Well, FIR doesn't mention about the accused, but yes, an FIR has now been registered and further investigation has already begun into this matter. In a short while from now, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu will also be visiting the hospital and will be meeting the injured who are undergoing treatment at the hospital in Tirupati. We'll bring you all the latest developments in connection with this case. Keep watching Republic TV.
And we begin first up with the statement coming in from Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. A day after Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath raked up the 1978 Sambhal riots, the UP government has ordered re-investigation into the riots. It's Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi who's unequivocally said that there must be a thorough investigation into the 1978 riots in which more than 100 people were killed. First up, listen in to that statement coming in from Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi.
देखो, लगभग 7 लाख के इर्द गिर्द जो है वो मस्जिदें और इबादतगाहें मुस्लिम समाज की हैं भारत में, और कुछ ऐसी हैं जो कि विवादों के घेरे में हैं और जिसके बारे में कि तमाम तरह के जो है वो तर्क और तथ्य सामने आ रहे हैं, उसका समाधान जरूरी है। देखो, लगभग 7 लाख के इर्द गिर्द जो है वो मस्जिदें और इबादतगाहें मुस्लिम समाज की हैं भारत में, और कुछ ऐसी हैं जो कि विवादों के घेरे में हैं और जिसके बारे में कि तमाम तरह के जो है वो तर्क और तथ्य सामने आ रहे हैं, उसका समाधान जरूरी है।